Hi, I am Deepti Hemwani, Head of Products at Dasera, and I'm going to tell you how Dasera empowers you to rethink your data security by enabling safe use of data. As we all know, migration to cloud, big data collection, and remote workforce has enhanced the data security risk by leaps and bounds in the last few years. Data operations has become more complex than ever, and the teams are overwhelmed. The security teams don't have sufficient context to know which data are sensitive and who should not have access to it, while compliance teams don't have the technology to enforce their compliance policies and have largely relied on manual, time consuming audits and self attestations. In the meanwhile, more employees need access to more data to make better decisions. The challenge of empowering employees while protecting the data at cloud scale has largely remained an unsolved problem. What Dasera does is provides contextualized visibility across the entire data structure, the infrastructure, the metadata, and the data users, allowing you to put guardrails and governance around the entire data lifecycle. Our key differentiator is being able to detect risk early at the source and bring cross collaboration between the security, the data, and the compliance teams via automation and workflows to protect the data at scale. The way we do this is the Dasera platform connects to your environment and discovers your infrastructure context, the data store inventory, their location, and their configuration. It then continuously monitors it for new data stores and determines risk. Once connected to your data store, it discovers the full data context in those data stores, the database schemas, and their metadata. It performs sensitive data classification and allows you to automate business context assignment via tagging and labeling. It can also connect to your employee directory to ingest your employee metadata and to the query logs to expose how sensitive data is being used in your environment. And last but not the least, it does risk assessment at every layer, generating alerts and tasks to notify the security, data, and compliance teams, providing them with the full context via automated workflows and allowing them to then automatically remediate and maintain control over their business policies. We help you answer the most pressing questions that any organization has around their data. Where are my data stores? Are they configured securely? Which and how much data is sensitive? What is the data responsible for? Is the principle of least privilege applied correctly? And is the data used creating any security or privacy risk? And by doing this, we enable early detection of risk as data sprawls in your environment, bring the data teams, the security and the compliance teams together by giving them the full context around your data and allowing them to remediate via automated workflows, thus helping them save time, energy, and money. Thank you for listening. For more information, please visit www.dasera.com and try our 30-day free trial.